Ngayon, Benny, tanong ko, kilala mo ba itong si Miss Mangawang ng Bureau of Customs?
Opo. Kilala ko po. Official po siya ng Bureau of Customs.
Nasaan na po ito ngayon?
Ang alam ko, official pa rin po siya ng Bureau of Customs.
Mr. Chair, I believe that we should call this person to the next hearing. Kasi based on the affidavit of Mr. Jimmy Guban, paragraph 20, sinasabi ni Jimmy Guban na itong si Miss Mangawang o the Bureau of Customs called him. Tapos sinabi ni Miss Mangawang na yung Bicaba trading shipment which contained the illegal drug shipments. Sinabihan si Guban na, Jimmy, anong magagawa dyan sa shipment na yan? Kinaparing Benny Antiporda yan. Sabi naman ni Jimmy, wala na akong magagawa. Huli na yan. So, ito ba, Mr. Benny Antiporda, totoo po ba ito na kasama ka dun sa shipment ng illegal drugs? Kasi sinasabi niya, baka may magagawa pa tayo dyan. Kinaparing Benny Antiporda yan.
Sir, makikita, Mr. Chair, makikita naman po natin, they contradict their own statements. It is clear that Colonel Asierto said that I'm not in any way connected or have knowledge on the shipments of drugs, no? Because in the first place, I hate drugs. People know that. Even my own family, kapag na-involve po sa drugs, ako po mismo nagpapakulong. Tauhan ko po, ako rin po nagpapakulong. On record po yan, kaya ko hong pangalanan isa-isa yan.